Okay, you try it this time. Like that shit.
Try it again.
Fuck it.
You're having trouble too?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. That trouble call you just gave Paul.
Yeah.
Crosby worked on that one yesterday.
Crosby worked on it yesterday?
Yeah. That's gonna need to be a.
And I asked you at lunch. I
said all the ones that were finished were cleared out.
Yeah.
But there were still a couple that guys had already worked on and just wasn't able to.
Did you just put one in there? Oh.
Wasn't able to have been completed. The one that you just gave Paul.
Yeah.
The one that you just gave Paul, Crosby worked on yesterday. It's not a one-person set.
Oh, sorry.